Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Time Capsule. First, unpack your device and find a good spot near your existing modem or router. Next, connect the power cord and plug it in. Then, use an Ethernet cable to connect the Time Capsule to your network. Wait for the status light to turn solid green, which means it's ready for the next step. Now, let's configure your Time Capsule using Airport Utility. Open the application on your Mac or iOS device. You'll see your Time Capsule listed. Select it to begin the setup process. The utility will guide you through creating a new Wi-Fi network or extending your current one. Remember to set a strong, unique password for both your Time Capsule and your Wi-Fi. With your Time Capsule connected, it's time to set up Time Machine for automatic backups. Go to System Settings or System Preferences on your Mac and find Time Machine. Select your Time Capsule from the available disks. Make sure to enable automatic backups so your data is continuously protected without any manual effort. This ensures your files are always safe. For advanced users, consider assigning a static IP address to your Time Capsule for more consistent network access. Always check Airport Utility for the latest firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and security. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Time Capsule and modem can often resolve them. Also, ensure good ventilation to prevent overheating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.